Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will solve this problem where we have to calculate the value of log64 base 2. Okay. So, as you know that, how we will approach this question, try to understand. What we'll do, we know that log a to the base b is a number. Okay, so just follow the process. So when this number is raised on b, will produce a. Okay, now can you try to break down this 64 into the power of 2's? Okay, so you know that 2 power 6 is 64. Okay, so now you can compare the power that the value of x is 6. I hope you understood. Okay, now look at this problem. Again, we have to calculate the value of log 5 base 25. So how we will approach? We will write down log 5 base 25 as x. We know that log a to the base b is a number when raised on b. So when we will raise this number x on b, we will find 5. Now look at this. You know that you cannot simplify this 5, but you guys can simplify this 25. So can I write 5 equals 5 power 2 to the power x? So it is 5 power 2x 5. Okay. Now we guys can compare the power that the value of 2x becomes 1. Therefore the value of x comes out to be 1 by 2. I hope you understood these two illustrations. So these are the basics. One by one we will grow. Okay, so see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.